everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? How was your weekend? How was your Halloween? We had 3 kids Halloween night. That's more than we've had before. Anyway, so we gave them big handfuls of chocolate, those little chocolate bars, big handful. All right, so today is November 1st, 2021. I'm going to announce my birthday giveaway. Now, this video is not the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be starting November 15th, which is my birthday. It's going to run every single day. There's going to be a new video every day for 12 days to November 26th, which was my mom's birthday. And then on the 27th of November, I'll be choosing 3 winners. All right, so I just kind of wanted to explain how it works, same as last year. Oh, first of all, I have a tutorial on this in browns, and yeah, it's a poncho. I will link it below, and I'll link the video where I talk about this one and everything, the yarn I used for this. Anyway, okay, so how the birthday giveaway works is from November 15th, every day up into and including November 26th. I'll put up a video every day. I'll show you an item that's in the giveaway. There'll be a word of the day that I'll ask you to use in a sentence below those 12 videos. There'll be a different word every day. You can write a sentence using the true meaning of the word, or what happened last year, and it was so much fun, was I told you guys, just make up a meaning if you want. And most of you did, almost all of you just made up a meaning, and whatever the word sounded like it meant to you, and you wrote a sentence, and oh my goodness, I had so much fun reading those. And I'm sure everyone who wrote a comment read some of the other comments and had a good laugh. It was so much fun. So that's what we're doing again this year. So on the 27th, I'll be choosing, oh, actually, okay, slow down. So from each of those 12 videos, once the 27th of November comes, then I'm going to go back to those videos, and I'm going to have the YouTube random comment picker choose a name from each one of those videos. So we're going to end up with 12 names. If the YouTube random comment picker happens to choose your name on more than one video, then your name will go in the container that many times. All right? So then on the 27th, I will draw names right in front of you on camera, or it depends what day it is. Maybe I'll get hubby to draw them. But there's going to be a 3rd prize, a 2nd prize, and a 1st prize. So each of you will get yarn and other goodies, whatever I show on those videos, and maybe some extras that I might throw in. But then the 1st prize will get more stuff. Okay. So it was so much fun last year, and I hope you guys join in this year. And so yeah, starts November 15th, runs every single day for 12 days until November 26th. All right, so make sure you guys are here and enter, and make sure you subscribe, because this is for my subscribers. Also, when I get to, oh my gosh, I can't even believe I'm getting so close to 5,000 subscribers. Hello, all you 5,000 people. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I must be doing something right. So anyway, when I get there, whenever that happens, and I'm believing that it will happen, I'm going to have a huge giveaway. All right. There'll be yarny goodness and other things that us crafters can use. I mean, yarny crochet, knitting people can use, right? I don't knit, but anyway. So I think that's it for now. Oh, you can see my craft room shadow box. Oh, it's complete. Next video will be that. I have it all filmed. I just have to put the pieces together and watch it and make sure, you know, I said everything I want to say. I always rewatch my videos, always, before I post them. So, I think there was something else I wanted to say. Am I going to write across the screen? I might. Oh, the words for my birthday giveaway. If there are certain words that you'd like me to use, please email them to me and I'll consider them, because over the last year, anytime a strange word would pop into my head or I'd hear it on TV or something, I would jot it down. So I have a few words that I'm thinking about using. So if you guys know of any other words that are, you know, sound funny when you say them, or, you know, they could have another meaning than their actual meaning, or where you can make up a meaning, please email them. I want you guys to be included. All right. So if you email them to me after you see this video, and maybe right below I emailed a word to you or something like that, so I can make sure that I see them, I get them, they don't get lost somewhere. Yeah, so thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and keep an eye out for the yarn craft room shadow box, which will be later today if all goes well. All right, thank you. Talk to you later.